everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harswal. Welcome to Daily Z. On this channel, we always come with new business ideas and some legal content also. So let's start our discussion without any further delay. So in this case, basically in this video, I am going to discuss a recent case which was being dealt by the Delhi High Court, which was related to natural justice. How it was related to the natural justice, we are going to find out in this video. So let's start our discussion without any further delay. So Delhi High Court basically pulls up patent office for cut paste order rejecting BlackBerry's application. What this all about? Let's find out in this video. The Delhi High Court basically recently pulled up an assistant controller of patents and designs for rejecting a patent application filed by BlackBerry Limited company. Like we all know BlackBerry, BlackBerry is a company, is also oldest company in the market related to technology, whether they used to make mobile phones also. So the court said without reasoning through a mechanical template and cut and paste order. So before we continue our discussion, the name of the case for you to understand is very important. The name of the case is BlackBerry Limited versus Assistant Controller of Patent and Designs, right? So in this case, Justice Sanjeev Narula said that the controller should have provided reasons to support the conclusion and in order to adhere to the principles of natural justice. Why so? The court said that the court emphasized that without proper reasoning in the assistant controller's order, it may be difficult for the applicant to identify the grounds for appeal. This is a very important thing for you to understand why the court has said that. The court also said that BlackBerry has, in this case, BlackBerry had filed a patent application in 2008 for an invention that facilitates the selection of small text on touch sensitive screen devices by zooming in on the text, right? The another thing is the application was rejected by the assistant controller in 2020 or 2020 under section of the Patents Act, and name of the section is under section 15 of the Patents Act. Hence, BlackBerry moved to before the Delhi High Court in appeal. The High Court of Delhi noted that in one of the paragraphs of the assistant controller's orders, the reasons for dismissing the application were merely a word for word replication of BlackBerry's claim, and therefore no reasoning was discernible from the paragraph also in the next paragraph of the assailed order. The court found that it was stated that the requirement of section 3 clause K of Patents Act was not complied with. The court in this case also said that it was unable to comprehend how this conclusion was being drawn. Right? The court in this case also observed that the order contained details of the invention claim claims made therein and the proceedings, but the crux of the issue was the lack of the reasoning supporting the final decision, a task at which the assistant controller had completely fallen short. The court also said that this makes the decision arbitrary, suggesting a subjective determination without any objective criteria. Such kind of mechanical template and cut and paste order cannot sustain and must be stringently discouraged. It also added, right? So that's all about our discussion in this video. I hope you understood what I have discussed in this video. If you are new on this channel, do subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon and share this video with your close ones, your family members, because we always come with new business ideas and some legal content also on this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.